There we go. All right. We are in Buda, in the backwoods of Mindanao. On the back of a bike. I don't understand, huh? This is a spot in the country where tourists, especially foreign tourists, don't ever even go. Filipino tourists barely ever make it this patch. So I'm quite sure we're the first ones ever to vlog and take some professional photos of these falls we'll be hiking to today. Don't really know what to expect because there's not really much online about them. All we know is that it's really muddy. And we've got to take bikes to get there. Good job, my friend. What is your name?
My name is Michael.
Your name is Michael.
Michael.
My name's Michael.
Yes.
The Michael brothers. Off to find some waterfalls. Okay, thank God. Thank God.
Let's just walk.
Okay.
Daniel.
Thanks, man. Wow, I love your hair. What do you have? Some mud and a coconut. So, you guys made a mistake. Just looking at these rings and bracelets, and I put on one of these rings just to see. I'm not really a ring guy, but now the ring is stuck and it will not come off. Either we have to cut it or I keep it. Either way, we're gonna have to buy it. One ring, please. And I also have no money.
I got you, bro.
So Bret's gonna pay for my mistake.
Salamat.
I wouldn't consider myself a ring guy, man, but I think now I am officially a ring guy. There's no better man to talk about where we are and the details, well, more like what the world thinks of this place than this guy.
All right, so where we are, this is actually interesting. So we're in North Cotabato. Usually when people hear the word Cotabato, it puts fear in their mind. But Cotabato actually has many different sides to it. There's North Cotabato, the province, South Cotabato, the province, and Cotabato City. This is North Cotabato Province, a place called Arakan. What's really interesting about this, I didn't even know Ate Jen, the lady who just took us here, a random guide friend who we met along the main road. And I've never been to this community, I know nothing about it, and we're just wandering into the mountains of North Cotabato. If you said that to anybody, they'd probably think you're crazy. But as you can see, being here, there's a completely different vibe. This really is rural Mindanao in its ruralist setting, and you'll notice it's mainly, actually it's all positive, you know. So again, this is a good lesson for me too, and a reminder for everybody about the good vibes, not only in Cotabato, but in Mindanao. And we're gonna go get some corn. We're gonna go buy some corn, and they're gonna cook it down at this waterfalls, which will take about a 45-minute trek. Remember, if you come to these places, spend your money. Throw it at the community, but in things like corn and the things they're buying it because you can help them out. So, yes. Oh shit!
Boys, what do you think?
Incredible view! Look at that! Look at the
Danny
valleys!
boy.
Look at the mountains!
It's the most beautiful thing ever. It's an experience, guys.
It's raining down on me. It's raining down.
entourage is growing a little bit. We have some hiking companions who have followed us from the village. You can't catch me. Whoa, whoa! That's pretty crazy, yeah? How their legs work. Oh no, no! Ah!
Get it,
Ah!
I'll take a photo of you.
We have found the falls. Check us out. Oh, it just keeps getting better and better. Look, they start there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like at least 6. Oh, and it keeps on going. Bro, there's gotta be like 10 waterfalls here. That's crazy. Oh my God. Wow, they're huge too. It's so, one of the best feelings, I gotta tell you guys. And part of the reason why I do a certain kind of content on my channel is because I really get excited when I feel like I'm at least one of the first ones to these places. I think the world is so filled with beautiful locations and we always go to the same handful that are on the top 10 lists. Meanwhile, if you poke around a bit, ask some locals, do a bit of research, you can find places where you don't have to wear life jackets. There's no safety squad and you can just go relax and have a great time by yourself or with your friends.
Exactly.
It's the best way to do it, man.
Natural and real. It looks like heaven, oh my God! This is so beautiful, guys.
Man, it is.
What the hell? We're in the middle of North Cotabato, man. It's so rare. Who goes here? No one.
No one
I
comes
looked
here.
in the logbook, I didn't see one foreigner.
Oh, there's some locals here. Look at this. A natural infinity pool. Bret and I thought we were all tough, and these guys came and they showed us the actual waterfall is a water slide. Hey man, we're here? Yes. Can you show me? All right, here we go. I'd love some. Thank you.
I'll wait for a while.
Oh yeah. What do I do? What do I do?
Dip and suck. Yeah.
Look at that.
What is it though? What do you mean what is that? Tell the camera what it is.
It's corn with strawberry jam that we just bought from the strawberry fields.
There we go. The fresh strawberry jam from the strawberry patch.
Wow.
Dip in the corn. Snack of champions. All right, fam. We just spent 4 hours at this set of 2 falls. There is 500 meters of waterfalls here, cascading into pool, into waterfall, into pool. And we blew our shot to see them all. We had too much fun at this one because it's a water slide, and there was like 7 jumping points, infinity pools. It was incredible. But to experience these falls, you need several days. If you want to experience them like we do, maybe a month. Now we've got a 20-minute hike back to the village. Probably say bye to some kids, and then we're off back to the log cabin. But it's been such an awesome day. Can't express enough how much I love being in places when it's just you and a couple locals. These waterfalls are amazing. And tourists don't come here. They're a little bit scared to come to this part of the country. But hopefully by making these videos that we are, me and the rest of the crew, the fighter boys, people will realize that because there's a couple bad eggs on Giant Island, shouldn't write the whole place off. It's incredible here. Hey Fearless fam, what's going on? I hope you enjoyed this video. Do you know what else was good? The video from last week. Make sure to check that out if you haven't, it's in the bottom corner. Also, if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, you can do that with the button. And just letting you know, there's a community where I share weird, wonderful, strange stories and behind the scenes content that might get me kicked off YouTube if I posted it here, and I'm posting it all in my Patreon community. You can check that out with the button in the top. Experience over possessions. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.